has been a writer. He has been a singer. He has been a DJ. He has done it all. He took a break for a minute, but came back last year with the song of the year. A song giving praises. A song called Glory to God. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a Marshall in town. Give it up for Wayne Marshall.
Trelawny explosion. Let's go. Man, the badness. I'ma go hard, I'ma go hard, I'ma go hard, I'ma go hard. Trelawny explosion. Already know from the say hard, we go hard and done with the big money clip like the Kyle can done. You see the black diamond probably they call long down. A 5 pint, you know what kind of money run, yeah. From the say hard, we go hard and done. The big money clip. Ready for I do ya? Ready for I acting? Ready for next and house popcorn? Signal. Meaning is if we chop them, so we chop them like a cold jelly. Them don't ready. Hold many, yo, don't penny, but flow steady. Those penny is so many big flows are in a row. Them no million bricks thicker than that body when the cross smelly man full of gal. How many can't check it? So many them lost in a me touch. Me can't find them in a me Burberry. Girl them hot like Andy Belly, flat like them now. Me not tell a lie. World boss, chop up the track. What am I say? Burn them in them, burn them in them, burn them in them, burn them in them. But the world boss is teacher me them. Somebody say bleach them in them. Them some more. Turn them in them. Kartel. Tommy Chin just give me one more son. Say you know me not in a gazing thing. A money thing me up on. When the money make on them the signal now. Stupid money, rich until me fool. I buy a big mansion for Tommy with the Olympics eyes. What we say? Stupid, yet rich until me fool. Let me see the underwear, collect some money for the Christmas now. Signal now. Alright then, cheddar, cheddar, genuine leather. From bully beef to lobster brew cheddar. Wallet. Me have to big up my general. Every stage of my touch. Me have to big up my general. A bounty killer send me to the world in the year 2000. And you know we're ever grateful. We're forever grateful. All who respect the contribution the bounty killer make to dancehall music and reggae music. Bust a blank for the DJ. Wanna deal with? So people me can carry me back to when bounty killer send me a road 2000. Drop some tune. Come now anybody. Remember, okay, rewind, Marshall pull it up one more time. Okay, what's good? Marshall represent like we should. Okay, everybody who be it before them come and chill on the explosion now. Let me see 2-1 in the sky now. Signal, we got the flow, we got the dough, we run the show. Signal, we keep it real, you know the deal, it's tiny teal. Sing, that's how we do, me and the crew, we in the news. Okay, we never fail, no way. We will prevail, Jason. This rhythm of a sound that's hit bone, and it a go make the ladies them strip down. Only one Marshall in this town, imposter bound to get. We are professional dancers, specialists, we never miss. Put emphasis on bossing it. When pessimist, one is vocalist. Maybe you don't know Trelawny. We got the flow, we got the dough, we run the show, sing now. Is it? Now the badness. You know the ships, you know, going to some Marshall. Marshalltown, Duncan's a Marshalltown, Trelawny a Marshalltown, Moby that a Marshalltown, DB that a Marshalltown, Duala J a Marshall. All who support we in Marshall from them time until now. We have done them now. I go Marshall in town. Tell them beware Marshall in town. Tell them prepare Marshall in town. Wheel it. You're crazy. We can't start them tune this so. Big up to our brother them. Alliance we say. You know sir from them time they till now. Bounty killer send me to the world. I'm not telling a lie. No matter what you say. Vybz Kartel are one of the baddest DJ Jamaica will ever see and ever see. All who respect Vybz Kartel from 2000 when me and him come a road, Sting 2000, drop that shot then. Make me see what go on. We know, one friend from them boy there who. We know, one no, don't be a Gaza liar. Don't be a Vybz Kartel liar. Who was support the DJ from them time there? In a me cock a night. With a buckle of talk a night. Tough a lie. Stiff a lie. Sit so till me high. Cock a fly. Great again this style up in the sky. Woman I watch me like a Marshall no shy. Me not gonna lie. The girl them say them want me bonafide. Them get high. Driving in the street 20 high. In the July. The pressure upon the. We have the on them. The whole alliance wants them. Well, we don't tell them. This is a new millennium. A different thing I go on. Marshall and Kartel. I go create a storm. When they see us in the. I see us. Kick. Yeah. Can I see all of my beautiful Jamaican ladies scream for me now, please? Is it my turn to wish you were lying here? I tend to dream you when I'm not sleeping. Whoa. Or is it my turn to fictionize my world, or even imagine your emotions? I tell myself anything. Yeah. Is it my turn to hold you by your hand? Hey, I tell you I love you when you do not hear me. Whoa. All who glad to Buju Banton, Mark Myrie, they back at Jamaica now. If the DJ today, you know, but I run out and say, Trelawny, over me, out a road, enough girl I'm a dover, out. Why you ask you to chat them, some man? Play me low now. So I remember, in the year 2002, Vybz Kartel called me and said, Marshall, we want to do a bad weed song. I'm going to say, Addy, you know, so we can't do that weed song without the original weed general. We have to go call Bounty Killer too. So Addy said, Marshall, what you have for that track here? I'm going to say, Addy, how this sound? Judging by the red in my eyes, you must realize that I'm feeling high. So why? Judging by the spliff and the size, you must realize. All the respect, Vybz Kartel, Bounty Killer, the general. Give me some signal. You know me, I red like a car, break like mine. Swell up, like me get a straight. Me sleep big like Dandy Bite. To home my big fly gun, me don't need kangle. Marshall, weed nice when you leave it over. But be careful, I need to offer message to, hey, we're gonna weed orange in the night. Smoke it and float to the promised land. I go. Judging by the red in my eyes. So hold on. Vybz Kartel said, Marshall, to all the weed song you go hard, we need to do a next song on the rhythm. And him say, what you have on it? Me say, how do you this sound? Why you keep on doing it and know you shouldn't try? Yo, why they meet them girl and treat them girl like they are pie? Hey, why you keep on talking? Only the real fans them. Remember Vybz Kartel flew up on that track here. Me ask him why do it and him couldn't reply. So me take a piece and face with a ply. Me no judge the party, no put no pie. If I'm a funeral, I could not. Times well hard in the yard today, but if you don't work then you won't get paid. Many obstacles come along the way. Overcome. Many are called but the chosen few. Nothing in this world that you can do. If you work hard you will pull through. Overcome. The reason why I call the one to overcome, because some little boy moving oh so dumb. Sit down now do nothing and them want things come. And then the pressure people on them want income. Young baby father can't feed him son. And then him tell the dancer him need him gun. Get the gun, I take the gun and rob Mr. Chung. 5 innocent people get licked on. Times well hard in the yard today, but if you don't work then you won't get paid. Many obstacles. Play me low again. Enough people say Wayne Marshall. When them see me them say sing a wagwan. I'm going to say sing a wagwan. You don't know me a bad DJ a long time too. Remember that style, yeah? Hey, we and them boys can't be no friend no more. Tell them must have forgot them. From when? From about 90. Trelawny explosion. We and them boys. Trelawny, make me looking at the crowd good. All who know them straight like an arrow now. Put their hand them in the air right now. Put their hand them in the air now. I go. You remember those guys from when? I forgot them. We and them no longer. I forgot. Is it? I know say the party are going nice and everything, but we can't do party and leave out Father God out of the equation. You know you have some people who don't even believe in a God, don't it? They don't believe in a God. But me don't understand that. All who believe in the Most High and the powers of the Most High, let me see 5 fingers in the sky right now. All God bless. All God bless. Huh. Yo, begin. Yeah. Oh. Trelawny, when the God bless and them, the people, give me some forward. Lord, I pray, I honor you. Raise it. Biggie, are you first play this one anywhere in the world? Big up yourself, my general. People, the band sang them, I get forward. The gun sang them, I get forward. The girl sang them, I get forward. All who say Father God deserves some forward too. Give me some forward right now. Come Bourbon Beach. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory to thee. Every God bless now. Maybe sit there and them go so now. Hey, our Redeemer saving grace. I know I'm not worthy to see your face. I try hard but I make mistakes. You're still by my side every step that I take. Through every heartache, and you get the praise. You are my guide, I'm a shield always. Every time me a gaze, I play hard days. You still show mercy, keep up in them safe. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you live. People, me have to sing that song until it finish. We can't sing the second verse, you know. All powerful, omnipotent, shine down your glory, your magnificence. When you bend the fence, it make all the difference. Step in a Trelawny, take precedence. Be the captain, the pilot, the teacher. Be the head, be the boss and the leader. Be my guide, my shepherd. One more time now, Trelawny. We have the anthem now. Sing. Lord, I pray, I honor your name, deliver your mercy. Whenever I fall, you lift me up. Glory. Some of them go on like them a friend and them up dash them oil and dash them powder. Oh, tell them say, even when they plot and scheme and try to stop me, and even when them try them best to take my glory, I leave it in your hands, my Lord. Yeah. Well, I said I leave it in your hands, my Lord. Yeah. Lord. Trelawny, me love you know. Big up Bounty Killer, the general. Big here. Stay so.
Yes, sir. Give it up for Wayne Marshall. Hey, man, that song the change.